Miguel back with another video. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to transfer over from brokerages. A lot of things have been going on with Robinhood and many other brokerages. And a lot of people have been reaching out to make a video how to transfer over from one brokerage to another. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. In this case, I'm going to transfer over from Stockpile to TD Ameritrade. So the first step you want to do is head on over to TD Ameritrade or whichever brokerage you want to transfer to. In this case, I'm going to show you TD Ameritrade. So once you're here, go to My Account, go to Account Transfer. Then some things to remember: you don't want to have any pending orders or any pending trades. You want to sell all your crypto, because in this case, TD Ameritrade does not allow investors to hold crypto in their portfolio. So you want to sell all that stuff, and it might take about a week. You might see both of your accounts at zero, but just keep waiting, it'll appear there. And yeah, all right, so once you're here, you want to press begin transfer. Then you want to type your firm name. So if you're transferring over from Robinhood, you write Robinhood Securities. You're transferring over from E-Trade, you write E-Trade Securities LLC. So in this case, I'm going to use Stockpile. So I believe Stockpile is Apex Clearing Corporation. So you press that and press continue. Then it's going to ask you if you want to transfer the full account or the partial account. That's up to you. So in this case, I'm going to transfer over the full account. Then it's going to ask you for personal info, like your account number, account type, account title, your first name, last name, or whichever appears on the top left, usually in your statements. Then your name, and then the estimated value of your brokerage account. So just write the value that you see in your brokerage account at the moment. And another thing to remember is fees. So Stockpile is going to charge you $75 to transfer over to TD Ameritrade. So just make sure to have a cash balance of $75. If not, they'll probably sell a stock or some of your positions to cover that fee. But another thing you can do is, once your account transfer is complete and you paid the $75, is hit up, in this case, TD Ameritrade, and ask them to refund you the $75 or whichever amount they charged you to transfer over. So don't forget about that. You're basically getting your money back. And then finally, towards the end, the review, giving you an overview of what's going to happen. So you're transferring over from Stockpile, in my case, to TD Ameritrade. Your account tunnel, you have your name, your address, and then you press here. I'm Miguel Rojas, authorized transfer from, yada, yada, yada. And that's basically it, what I'm saying? Continue. Again, estimated value and all that stuff. You're going to say yes and submit. And that's pretty much it. Wait a week and a half to see, the balance appear and all that stuff. It's pretty simple. And again, if you're transferring from Robinhood or E-Trade or, any other brokerage, just follow these exact same steps. They all work the same way. And I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks for watching.